Hello everyone, and in this video I will guide you step by step on how you can add order tracking page into your Shopify store. So first of all, you need to start by opening up the page section into your online store on your left hand side and click on the add page, because first we're gonna need to create an order tracking page. So simply type order tracking into the title. As for the content, you just need to click on the show HTML. Now once you're gonna click on it, you just need to paste a particular code that I have put the link in the description. It is a Google Docs file, so you just need to open it up and copy this particular code just like so. Once you copy the code, paste it, and then you just need to click on the save button. Now by default the interface is something like this. You just need to add the tracking number and then click on this track button. Now the next step we're going to be adding it into our main Shopify store. So you just need to open up the main menu, click on it, and then you just need to click on add menu item. As for the search option, we just need to search for the pages, which is right here, and click on the order tracking page that we have created right now. Now once you click there, you just need to click on add, and once you have added your order tracking page, next step will going to be positioning if you want to go with it, otherwise leave it at the end, and then click on the save menu. Once you are done, if I click on the view online store, as you can see, we have new option on to our main menu, which is order tracking. If I click on this is how it will gonna look like. So that's the way of how you can add tracking page onto your Shopify store.